Hello guys, how to be here? Welcome back to another video. And today we will unbox a Samsung voltage stabilizer. And what is the purpose of voltage stabilizer? You may not know. The purpose is very simple. Like if the power is high, then you need to use this, because I have purpose to use this as I need actually some a flawless voltage, and on that occasion I actually have to bought this. So this is the unboxing video. Let's just cut this rope up, and I have to do it in one hand, so it may take much time, but I hope you have that patience to stay with me. I think I can't be able to can't be able to. Oh my god, this is not possible. I have to do something else, like removing the outer shell by any means. And this is the new type of unboxing video. Like, yeah, done. What the hell is happening? What the hell? Okay, so oh my god, I have to wrap another thing. Huh? What type of unboxing video you are watching? I don't know. Oh my god, did you guys see what just happened? Oh well, what is inside the box? OMG, how I'll just bring this out? I mean, this is not possible. I have to just flip it for another time, and I hope it will just work. What the hell? No way. Unboxing in one hand, it's like quite impossible. Well, there is a mistake there. This is the back part, I mean the upside down part, and this is the front part. As you can see, there's the two display, like input and output, so much manual display, and there's the indicator, normal, low, high, default, and this is the power on and off. That's the back part. This came with 5 years warranty. I don't know what does this mean, but I hope this will work. Certainly work. So that's all from today, guys. This was a mess unboxing, but hope you all enjoy the video. If you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more of the interesting videos. So see you guys soon. Till then, have fun, good luck, and peace.